Welcome to a tour of the Bianca Guesthouse in Civitavecchia, near Rome. The guest house is down a side street in Civitavecchia, only a short walk from the train station. It's around a 45-minute taxi ride from Rome Airport. Bianca will either be there to greet you or will leave instructions on how to gain entry. The room itself is spacious, with twin beds set up as a double. Even though it's in an old building, the rooms have been modernised and brought up to date. There's a small amount of hanging space, along with some shelving and drawers. At the desk, you'll also find a kettle with a mini fridge. A bottle of water was provided for each of us. Even though the guest house was on a busy road and right on the waterfront, we found it to be pretty quiet. We were lucky to have a room at the front with ocean views. The bathroom was also a great size and nicely modernised. It has all the facilities you need, and a hairdryer was available if you needed it. The shower featured a rainfall shower head, and shower gel was provided. Overall, we enjoyed our stay in the guest house. For access to the cruise port, this is a fantastic place to stay. It's close to the train station, where a shuttle will take you to the port for around €6 each one way. What do you think of the Bianca Guesthouse? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed our video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and click the hype button. You can subscribe for free to our YouTube channel to see all our future videos. Thanks for watching!